The WAVLINK AX3000 Outdoor Extender is designed with the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, ensuring ultra-fast speeds that cater to seamless high-definition streaming and online gaming. Its robust IP67 weatherproof enclosure makes it ideal for outdoor use, protecting against extreme temperatures and harsh weather conditions, while its discreet appearance suits any indoor setting as well. Equipped with active Power over Ethernet support, this extender can be installed in areas without power outlets, combining power and network data into a single cable for convenient setup. The device offers multiple operation modes including mesh extender mode, wireless access point mode, repeater mode, and router mode, allowing for flexible installation in various environments. It features integrated directional antennas that provide stable and extended coverage, ensuring a strong and reliable connection even in challenging outdoor locations. WAVLINK provides excellent customer support with a dedicated phone and email service, ensuring users receive assistance whenever needed.